Good day, sir. Today, me and my partner gonna demonstrate our system, which is water refilling station management system. We have 10 functions here, as you can see. Add a new customer, list all customers, add a new water tanks, list all water tanks, update water tank capacity, record water tank refill, record of water refill, list all refills, calculate total water refilled, and find customer by ID. Choose number 1. Now it will shows enter customer ID. As a customer, you will put 1 as your ID. And next is enter customer name, which is K. Choose number 2. It is list all customers. And then it shows that you've been added as a new customer. Next step is add a new water tank. Enter your choice number 3. And here, enter water tank ID. Put a number 1. Next, enter water tank capacity in liters. So let's put as 50. And now let's proceed to the next step or function, which is list all water tanks. You can know if your water tanks have been recorded. And now it is record under list all water tanks that your ID is 1, capacity is 50, and the current volume is 50. And that is what you've been input in the choice number 3. Enter your tank ID and your water tank capacity in liters. To the next step, how to update your water tank capacity. Let's all proceed to the number 5 function. Enter your choice number 5. Now it shows here water tank ID. So you'll input number 1 and what you've been input earlier. And now it says enter new capacity in liters. So meaning you will change or update your capacity. And let's change into 100 to see if it's worked that you've been successfully update the capacity in liters. Let's go back to the function number 4, which is list all water tanks. Choose number 4 and it shows that your capacity have been updated. Earlier it's been 50 the capacity and now it's been 100. Now to the next function, which is the number 6, record water tank refill. Before, your current volume is 50. Now in function 6, let's try to see if it can be added or updated what's your water or tank refill. So let's choose number 6. And of course, don't forget to enter your tank ID. And it says here, enter liters of water to refill. And let's add or input 25. Your current volume before is 50 and we've been input a new current or a water to refill is 25. And let's go back to list all water tanks to see if been updated or changed. And then it changed your current volume into 75. Let's proceed to the function 7, record a water refill. Enter your choice, 7, and as usual, enter customer ID, which is number 1, and then here's you enter the letters of water to refill, and the water to refill in your choice number 6 is this 25, so that you can record the year, the month, and the day 2024 May 25. Next is the function number 8, list all refills. Enter your choice, which is the function 8, and it shows that it's been recorded. And next is the calculate total water refill, the function 9. Enter your choice, and it shows that your total water filled is 25 liters. Next is we can try this find customer by ID, but first let's enter your choice, the number 2 or the function 2. It says our ID is 1. Now let's try the function 10, which is find customer by ID. Now enter your customer ID, which is 1. And it says or shows that your name, K, has been known or been recorded. Now it's been demonstrate the 10 functions of the system. Now let's add another customer and new water tank. Let's go back to start. New ID number, which is 2. And of course, we're gonna enter the customer name, Isa. And it shows the 10 functions. To see the customers, let's choose number 2, the function 2. And now it shows that Isa is the new customer as a customer number 2. Enter your choice, which is the function 3, and enter your water tank ID, which is 2, and add the water tank capacity in liters 25. Now it's been added or it's been record, and let's check if it's listed, which is the function number 4, and it shows that the ID number 2, which is the customer number 2, has been recorded. The capacity is 25 and the current volume is 25. Same time, let's update water tank capacity, which is the function 5, and enter your ID number 2 and enter your new capacity in liters, which is 50. And let's check if it's listed, go back to the function 4, and now it shows that the ID number 2 has a capacity of 50 and the current volume is 25. And let's go back to function 6. It's been recorded to record a water tank to refill. Enter your water tank ID, it's 2, and your liters of water to refill is 10. And it's been recorded, so let's check if it's been recorded. So let's go back to function 4, list all water tanks, and it's been updated. The ID number 2 has a capacity of 50 and the current volume is 35. Now let's choose the function number 7 and enter the customer ID, which is the ID for the customer number 2, which is Isa. And let's input this 10, the water refill. And let's add it or input the ID 2 and enter liter of water to refill, which is 10. And let's record it by the month, a year, month, and date. And here it show the customer ID, the number 2, which is the customer, and the liters that been refilled is 10, and now the date that been input to the record. And next function is number 9, calculate total water refilled. It's indicate or it's specific to the liters. Choose your 9, and the total water refill that in record is 35. It's been added. And find customer by ID and choose number 2 to see the all list of the customer we've been recorded or added. And it says or shows the ID 1, name is K, and in the ID 2, name Isa. And that would be all for our water refilling station management system. Thank you.